Hello everyone and welcome to the final episode of this short 5-video series about how to do keyword research with Helium 10. So let's dive on in. Now, if you're enjoying this content, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more information like this. It helps the channel more than you know, so we can help each other grow, as I want you to be our next success story, and I want to be able to keep delivering more content like this just for you. Now, in the last episode, I demonstrated how you use the Helium 10 tool called Magnet to do more in-depth keyword research based off individual keyword phrases rather than only extracting the keywords from your competition. Now, as a final point, I want to demonstrate to you the actual power of each of these keyword phrases and why it's so important to use them. Because Amazon actually ranks on Google, and a lot of the time it is for these same keyword phrases, as essentially we actually help Amazon grow their own business as Amazon sellers by using these keywords and then pushing Amazon to the top of Google by having products that contain these keywords that then keeps Amazon ranked on Google. And many sellers probably don't know this, but here at Freedom Pass, we like to give you all of the hidden knowledge to make sure you are a success. So let me demonstrate this now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to show you what I mean as an example. We will go with Crocs women's, as that was the top Cerebro search, and it's still in the top 3 for Magnet. So I'm going to copy this now. I'm going to head on over to Google. So now I'm going to paste this into Google, and let's have a little scroll down. So we have the actual, main Crocs website, which makes sense for Crocs, as obviously Crocs is a well-known brand. But for products where it was an unknown brand, 9 times out of 10, the top search result will be Amazon. But let's keep scrolling. Okay, so we have Crocs, shoe, Sports Direct, other clothing brands. And boom, here we go, Amazon, Crocs. And so even though this is a well-known, renowned brand with many big clothing stores selling Crocs, which are obviously going to be at the top of Google, Amazon is still on page 1. And as we spoke about in the Amazon world, page 1 is the most important thing, and page 2, you're on the graveyard. So translate that knowledge into Google. Essentially, it works the same, because each of these keyword phrases also have a page 1 on Google, and Amazon is there now, even on this massive brand. So on smaller products with less known brands, Amazon will actually be at the top. But as you can imagine, if you're at the top of Google, the traffic is just insane, because Google is pretty much the entire internet and it's worldwide. So by ranking on page 1 for Amazon, you are then by default ranking on page 1 for Google. And obviously this is just Crocs, but say if you had a less known product, you'll rank 1 on page 1. People type that in on Google and then they click on the Amazon search result and then your product shows up. So you can see how that is essentially the sales funnel from Google feeding traffic to Amazon, which then in turn helps Amazon stay ranked at the top of Google, and then you are actually helping Amazon as well. So it's a win-win situation, which is why Amazon rewards sellers for keywording their products correctly and by spending time to conduct keyword research to ensure they have the correct keywords that they are targeting and going after those page 1 windows for, which we've spoke about in this video series. And that is how you win the Amazon game. That's the end of this video series. I hope you found this information useful, and if you did and you enjoyed my content, please subscribe to my channel, as I want to keep bringing you more information like this so that you can be our next success story. And I'll see you next time.